Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Are you eating my spaghetti and sweet potatoes? Today is a Easter Sunday. If you are, oh look at Rose, love to eat sweet. Sweet potato is very sweet. You love to eat. Oh, you need to eat that all. Jack, do you eat the sweet potatoes? Huh? You eat the sweet potatoes. Oh, you happy? Are you happy? Oh, my cute baby bird. My cute bird, you eat my food. Yes, you are. Eating my food. No, eat more. You want more sweet potatoes? Huh? Hey, my cute baby bird. Come on, eat more. Come on, eat more. Yes, you are. You need to eat more. Eat my food there. You gotta eat it all. Is it yummy? It's really good? Yeah? It's really good? Yes, you are. It's really good. Yeah, it's really yummy. Yeah, I think Rose loves to eat sweet food. You need to eat that all. Look at that, you have some in there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, oh, Rose loves to eat sweet. Rose loves to eat. It's very yummy. Yes, you are. And after you eat, you need to take a 500 milligram metformin, okay? So you're not gonna pass out, okay? That is very sweet. Yes, you are. That's a very sweet, sweet potato. It puts some lots of sugar. Yes, you are, because today is Easter Sunday. Oh, look at you, Rose. You eat a lot of food, Rose. Oh, that's very yummy. It's sweet. That's sweet. I think Jack said, Rose, you need to be careful what you eat, Rose. That's very sweet. Yes, you are. Jack, you need to eat also, Jack. Come on, Jack. Jack. You need to eat more, Jack. You need to eat more, Jack. Jack, eat more. Yeah. Eat more. Yeah. See, Rose said you need to eat more. Yeah, Jack, you don't want to be a diabetes, Jack? See, Rose likes to eat. Look at that. I think Jack said, stop eating, Rose. That's very sweet. I don't want you to be a pass out, Rose. Same like mommy. Sugar is gonna be high, Rose. Yes, yeah, it's yummy. I think Jack stop eating now because it's very sweet. Yeah. Eat more. You need to eat that all. Come on, eat that all. Come on, Rose. You need to eat that all, Rose. Jack, you need to eat more, Jack. You want to give more? More sweet potato? Huh?